Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, making a suffering bastard. Now this cocktail was first created in 1942 by Joe Sharom from the Shepherd's Hotel in Cairo, Egypt. Let's make the cocktail. Today, we're using a bourbon. You could also use a brandy or cognac, works just as fine in this drink. We're using 1 ounce. Into your cocktail shaker, 1 ounce of gin. Now any gin will work. We're using Malfi from Italy, but any London dry gin, American gin will work as well here. 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. 2 dashes Angostura bitters. Add ice. Shake our pint, we're gonna shake. Okay. Now, Collins glass, you want to fill with ice to the top. Take your Hawthorne strainer, and we're going to strain over ice, 3/4 way up. Now top off with ginger beer. Today we're using Spectacular Q. Big up to Brooklyn here. Final step, garnish. Orange Wedge. Get a straw and give it a shot. Cheers. It's a great cocktail. Very bourbon forward. And the spicy notes of the ginger comes through. Hint of bitter. You don't really taste the gin at all. I'm not really suffering here. I think it's a great cocktail. Well, go home, try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
CL's Beats.